Hi all, and welcome to this 2023 Nugget session. My name is James Michaelis, one of the Netreo product managers, and today I am excited to walk through Retrace's custom dashboards with you. A few months ago, we held a webinar focusing on some of the best practices for building effective custom dashboards in Retrace. In this session, we're going to go through some of those highlights from that webinar and then also discuss the future of dashboards at Retrace. We will look at some of the plans in the short term coming very soon, as well as what's next with dashboards on the roadmap for Retrace. So with that out of the way, let's take a look at the webinar. My name is James Michaelis. I'm one of the product managers here at Netreo, focused on the Retrace product. And I've been with Stackify and the Retrace tool going on 10 years, so filling out different roles such as support engineering and QA, and now as a product manager. So look forward to talking with you guys today.
Yeah, James has touched just about every part of the organization, and even today he's putting his marketing hat on. So
yeah, exactly.
Again, thanks for joining, Tony.
Yeah, my name is Tony Tran. Been here with Stackify for quite a long time, 5 years. Started all the way from the bottom, which is going to be a support engineer. So if you guys have any questions or tickets come into support team, that was probably me back then, right? From there, I've gone ahead and moved to SRE, and now on the dev team. Now this engineer. To create a dashboard, all you need to do is click the add new, click dashboard. This one, you can name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and put sandbox dashboard here. Or change your time if you want to. 5 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever you like. And then select a particular layout. There's other configurations right here in which you can add permissions, rows, and whatnot to see if you can view the dashboard itself. I won't get into that, but if you like, you can actually go to our documentation to learn more about this part. So let me go ahead and click create. And for this, it's all about knowing what you want to retrieve, right? So say I want to add, this is gonna be kind of like a mission critical. So right here, you can see errors. I'm scroll down a little more. I'm going to go ahead and click by the tab so you have it grouped up. Say I do a lot of logs. I want to do this mission critical dashboard where I have all the logs in there for all the environments, or just a sandbox or production, right? On here, you actually have title you can add, the particular time frame you want that, and basically how you want the widget to look like, layout. There's also aggregations if you want to worry about that. But I'm just going to leave it as is, keep it as all applications. And save and close. So on here, you can see the logs for all of it. Likewise, you can also break it down to particular applications. Next, go ahead and add another widget. This is going to be the error rate that's coming up. Actually, let's go ahead and click on the top errors. That's what I'd like to see. So let's go ahead and get this to 10 so you can see the top 10 errors. Let's keep this as is. Environments, go ahead and put production and sandbox as well. And go ahead and save. So we'll go ahead and bring back all the applications there, which doesn't look like it has a lot. So let me go ahead and change this and select all. Should have a lot more there. All right. Say you want to keep an eye out on your website actually. So for us, it's going to be stackify.com or netreo.com as well. Likewise, might be whatever your base website is at. All you need to do is go in here. Just different actually type of scopes that you can do. In this one, we're going to go ahead and hit website. If you don't have it yet, you need to create a monitor over that particular website. I already created it, so let's go ahead and Stackify. Let's go ahead and do Google instead. There it is. Stackify.com. Sure, let's check google.com there as well. save and close. I'll make sure it is going all well. So it's going returning at 200. Yeah, slowly and surely, all you need to do is just add widget, customize it, bring in information, and surely your dashboard will go ahead and eventually be what you kind of want.
So I know adding a widget and creating the scope of the widget is a pretty straightforward process. Do you think you could walk us through how you can add any metric that we collect and retrace straight to a dashboard?
Yeah, actually, that is a good question. So we actually want to make this like very easy for you guys. So with that being said, let me go back to the application dashboard itself. Any metrics that we have, we can actually go into it itself. So let's go ahead and go to this example.NET application. Go to the error itself while I go. So let's go under monitoring. You can actually pull these information to your dashboard. So say you have all this information as well as website, key transactions, and errors, right? But say I want to monitor this one because there's an alert over it. I want to keep an eye on it. All you need to do is go to the left side. There's more options right here. Click on that, and it'll say add this to a dashboard, right? Click on that, you'll basically get the same configuration as you would if you add it to the dashboard itself, but with the new addition of selecting the dashboard you want to add. So for this one, we add the sandbox dash here. Click on that. I'll also keep it as same. Click add to dashboard. At the top right of the screen, you see a toast message that says this widget has been added to the sandbox dashboard. Click on that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard itself, and you should be able to see that particular metrics, which is going to be this.
Yeah, great. Thanks for highlighting that. I think pretty much every business has a core set of metrics or KPIs that they're trying to monitor, and having that flexibility of adding any of the hundreds of metrics that Retrace collects and organizing it in kind of a meaningful way is really a powerful tool that I know that a lot of our customers are utilizing, and some aren't, simply because they didn't really know this feature existed. So that's kind of why we wanted to highlight this custom dashboard and have a whole webinar dedicated to it, just to kind of showcase the power that it has.
One of the things that we said a while ago is actually having a public access to the dashboard there. It's one of the cool features of Custom Dash is that on the right side top, we actually have the ability to create a link to get to the dashboard itself. And from that, I can copy it and open it. Anyone has access to this.
Now that we've covered Retrace's custom dashboards a little bit, I wanted to take some time to discuss a new feature that's coming soon. We will be releasing emailed custom dashboard reports where you'll be able to email snapshots of custom dashboards, as well as subscribe to reports where dashboards are automatically delivered into your inbox on a configured schedule. This exciting new feature will aim to streamline viewing trends found on your dashboards, improve proactive monitoring of potential app performance issues, and will help move away from relying solely on alert notifications in more of a reactive manner. We also have longer-term goals to add value to custom dashboards by making these emailed reports smarter and more meaningful. Looking at turning metrics and trends into insights that help engineering teams build and maintain world-class applications is a major goal that's always shaping our roadmap and will be a focus in 2024 and beyond. So hopefully this session was informative, but if there are any questions related to the future of custom dashboards or any functionality within Retrace, please feel free to ask here in the chat system. Otherwise, thank you for attending this session.